And Jodi testified yesterday that she awoke one night to Travis in the act of having sex with her, i.e. she was raped by him. Well, on this tape, this secretly recorded, or this recorded tape, she claims that he asked her to record it. We'll get to that in a second. Well, anyway, she recounts a sex act that sounds eerily similar to that. Listen.
I fell asleep on your chair next to your bed. And you just woke me up by pulling my pants off and totally licking my but I remember that was hot.
Let's go to our panel to debate this. There was a massive debate in our newsroom. Is this a home run for Jodi Arias, or is it her demise? Does she sound like someone who's an abuse victim, or does she sound like an eager, willing sex partner? Oh, that's so degrading. I like it. All right, let's start with Wendy Murphy.
This tape, aside from making the jury upset, is likely to desensitize them a lot, which is bad for the defense. And, you know, this is the only time Travis has a real voice, and he isn't saying things that are remotely like the Travis she's testified about, the really bad guy who's beating the hell out of her and abusing her in all sorts of ways. This is terrible for the defense. But let me be clear, the prosecution is going to make a tremendous amount of this tape during the closing when they say, did you hear the tape and did you hear anything go on at all ever where Jodi Arias said, never mind, stop, I don't like that? Not at all. She was titillated. She was horny. She was moaning. She was loving it. This was pure porn.
All
That's
right, Drew
what the prosecution's going to say.
Drew Finling.
Wendy,
however, he does say on the tape, I'd like to tie you to a tree and blindfold you and bleep you bleep.
This is absolutely demeaning to this woman and all women. And I've tried so many of these cases, battered women syndrome cases, to a jury. And Wendy, I don't know what world you're living in. If you have one woman juror on this case and you have more than that, this is demeaning to this woman and all women. This is not a home run for the defense, but this is something that turns the tide. She said it, and now she has backup for it.
All right, John Lieberman, I see you shaking your head.
Yeah, I mean, because here's the thing. This tape now serves as fact. And the fact is that Travis isn't acting aggressive or, you know, what I'm trying to say is, you know, her statements, we know she is a liar. But yet, when we hear the two of them together on this tape, you know, he wasn't controlling. He was nice. She initiated a lot of the pleasant conversations between the two. It doesn't jive with the portrayal of the victim that she has been portraying in her testimony. It's about credibility, and we already know